this video, I'll be showing you how I install my client's glueless wig. Check it out. Here are pictures of the braid pattern that we gave her. I like to always make sure I give it a good braid pattern so you don't have to worry about the wig not laying flat. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I also like to use mousse, y'all, because mousse lay down the extensions hair, because sometimes the extension hair can just be really straight and flying all the way, all around. So if you're having that problem, just put some mousse and use your duckbill clips to get the hair out the way, because you want to make sure all the hair is out the way before you start cutting that lace. This wig actually looked really nice, and the good thing about it is this was glueless, so you do not have to use any glue. It held nice and tight. This was a excellent wig. I have used several different wigs, but when I say I really love this wig, I do. Again, guys, I just want to show you how I am going to cut the lace off. If you are looking for someone to be able to do your wig, I would love to do your wig. And also, if you just want somebody to do your braid pattern, I can do that as well. I'll put all my information in the video description box. If you are looking for a protective style, or if you just want to wear a wig and just trying to let your hair grow back, when I say this glueless wig was so bomb. So make sure if you are wearing wigs, you check out the glueless wigs. Because again, like I said, it hold tight, it don't move. You don't have to have none of that glue, none of that extra stuff. But anyway, let me show you how I do it. Go ahead and press that subscribe button if you have not pressed that subscribe button yet. Again, if you are looking for someone to do your hair, I'll put all my information in the video description box. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to, I would love for you guys to share this, like this, and comment. Thank you guys. Okay, guys, I am done. Hopefully that video helped you. If it did help you, I would love for you to put AV below, added value. And I'm also going to show you some end pictures. Don't forget to please subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, guys. Bye.